Hi guys, here's a little review of the Rock USB cable. It's a really good design and it's got two ports, one for your Android device, as you can see here, and one which you connect it together and you'll get your charger for your Apple. Okay, it's a really nice design. Okay, so let me just give it a test to show you. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Let's try to get that there. There you go. Alright, first we'll test the Android device. Okay, so wait, there you go. Oh, sorry guys, it's a bit hard to do it with one hand. There you go. Is that it, I guess? Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it's charging. There you go. Alright. Okay. So let me try it on my Apple device now. So you have to just connect these two together. Again, it's really hard to do it with one hand. There you go. So then just connect it here. And there you go. It's charging. Ooh. There you go. And that. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, bye.